Hi guys, welcome back to another Alex's Adventure video. Today we will be making fried rice with chicken. So let's get into it. We're gonna make the chicken. So we're gonna open this by pulling this, it says. There we go. Oh, that's not good. This chicken is really hard to open. There we go. How many pieces should we make, Dad? 4? Okay. We're gonna make one extra. Everybody in the family gets. So everybody in the family gets a little bit. So we have 3, 4, 5. So now we have the chicken. So now we will be adding ingredients to the chicken. So what we are adding first is the olive oil. So we are going to put that on. Just a bit for each one. After you got your olive oil done, you move on to your oregano leaves. So let's put a little. This is making for my sisters, so just a little bit on theirs. For the garlic powder, we are just going to put a little bit on each. There we go with all the garlic powder. And now these are ready to bake, ready to cook at 400. So now it's ready to go in the oven. So we will use our Snoopy mitts, oven mitts, and we will put this in at 400 and bake. So put it all the way down. Chicken is going in. So now we will let the chicken cook. Now let's start making the rice. So now we are ready for the rice. We added 2 cups and already watered it. So now the rice is going in. Now we will add 2 cups of water. So we need this, and we will come over here and get our water. So the first cup is almost there. We are gonna fry the rice for our judges. And yes, we do have judges. So there goes the first cup. I am starting the second cup. So this one's almost there. And then we will also be making a shake later on to finish up the meal. So we will shut this. Now that we put the lid on, we will start putting it on rice. And it's on pressure low, and it's on normal. So we will let all these cook, and we will show you the final results when they are finished. I think we heard the rice. Oh, yep, we did. Let's see if it's done. What do you think, Dad? Do you think it's done?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay, so now we need, let's think, a bowl. So now we will be scooping the white rice onto the bowl. So So now we will be dumping the rice in, or scooping it in. So we will fry it because our judges. So now we are going to put the rice in the pan so we can fry it because our judges love the fried rice. So do I. So we're gonna make. So now we will add our olive oil again to make our fried rice. We dumped about 3/4 of it so that 2 of our judges get fried rice and 2 of our judges get white rice. Just so it's even out because they like different things and that's okay. So we're going to crack these eggs. That's egg number 1 and egg number 2. And now we will be stirring this, and then we will wait so that it gets fried. The chicken is done. The chicken is almost done, and the rice is also almost done. So our judges are getting hungry. So now we are going to be stirring our rice. Our chicken is right here. As you can see, our chicken is done. We are waiting for it to cool off because it was at 400, and we do not want to, and our judges do not want to burn their mouths. So our fried rice is cooking, as you can see. It is cooking very well. So we are going to be almost completed with our meal. So let's talk to you when the judges are here and when they start judging. Here is our plate. We have chicken with seasoning and we have fried rice. So let's see what our judges think of it. First, we need to get their fork. So we are now cutting the chicken and our judges will evaluate.
And I'm a judge.
So, 2 judges, I will get you a forkful. So we're going to get a little bit. So here is your guys's. Tell me what you like about it.
Okay, sorry.
If you need the knife.
Okay. I'm trying the chicken first.
So Tinley's going in with the chicken. Allie's going in with the chicken and rice.
That's really good.
Guys like it? What you guys tell the camera what you guys liked about it?
The chicken is cooked well, and it doesn't have it's all the way cooked.
What about the rice?
Oh, I haven't tried that yet.
Why don't you try the rice?
The rice is really good. I can tell there's egg in here. I really liked it.
What'd you really like about it?
It was cooked.
Okay. So, if you did not know, I am doing a drawing. The person I pull on Friday wins all these stickers, Alex's Adventure stickers, and for their design that they put in, they will get that on a mug, and the mug they get has their design on it. It will be temporary in the store if they would like to buy some more. Good luck to all. Bye guys. Subscribe to Alex's Adventures.